Hey guys! Okay, so today I wanted to talk about this product from e.l.f. It is the e.l.f. Hydrated Ever After Skincare Mini Kit. Skincare minis packed with hyaluronic acid for soft and moisturized skin. It's this kit. I got this a couple weeks ago, I believe. I don't know. Whenever I got the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, came in the same package. And so I wanted to try one of their skincare kits, because sometimes, you know, like drugstore skincare, like sometimes we're just like, oh, that's got to be junk, right? But we'll see what happens. I have, spoiler alert, been using the eye cream and the moisturizer, but I tried the hydrating booster drops, but I haven't used the what is it called, makeup melting cleansing balm, or the Holy Hydration daily cleanser, because I had another little mini cleanser from e.l.f. that I have been trying for now as well. As you can see, I've got a bit more of a makeup day on. I've got something in my eye. I don't know what it is. So if you see me like freaking out over my eye, there's something there. I've got to get rid of it eventually, but that's that. Also, I just came in from working in my garden, and every time that happens, I feel endlessly like I have insects crawling on me. And by the way, like, let's just hop over to a little bit of a story time, shall we? On Monday, the first day of school for my little ones, there's something in my eye, sorry you guys. I was like, yes, the kids are out of the house. Now, don't take that the wrong way. I love my children and I want them to be with me at all times, but it is nice that they're going to school where they can learn something that's of benefit to them, and also it gives me a little bit of time where I can go do something that might need to get done, but like is a little bit easier to get done when you don't have children like all on you, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so I was like, I gotta get my little son, some rain boots, so that the school is really close, like it's like right across the field from where we live. And so I was like, he needs some rain boots so that he can walk through the grass, so he's not like getting to school with all this grass and dirt and muck on his regular shoes, and then they're wet all day long because the dew on the grass. So anyway, I was like, I'm gonna go to Walmart, I'm gonna get that, I'm gonna go do this other thing, and I'm gonna do this other thing. And I had this big old plan that I was gonna do yesterday, Monday, first day of school. Like, I was gonna get my life together. I was gonna take my life back. Well, so I was like, all right, we're gonna do it. I put my sweatshirt on because I was like, really, you know, normally I'm like a glamorous lady, but yesterday I was in a little bit more of a bum state, if you know what I'm saying. And so I had my sweatshirt on, I was walking out, got my keys, purse, phone, wallet, everything going great. I step into my car, okay, my truck, sit down on the seat, and I look down at my hand to close the door. Look down. There is a gigantic spider crawling on my arm all the way. I could feel the legs on me, ladies. Like, I was traumatized. And I'm not even kidding you when I say that. I was on the phone with my sister at the time. She will bear witness. I couldn't get over it. I screamed, threw my phone, threw my purse, screamed, was going crazy, acting a fool, and it scurried away. Luckily, it would have died. And I just couldn't, I could still feel the little legs on me for an hour and a half afterwards. I was cringing so hard that I threw my back out, and it was not good. It was not good. It was not good. So all that to say, like, I was traumatized, you guys. Back to makeup. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Now, I did hear the other day that for cleansing balms, you are supposed to use them on a dry face, which is what I have right now. And don't you like, by the way, just, I mean, I know I'm really bad at this, but don't you love like the little packaging? I love that they give you like a mini kit. This was like $20 for all this stuff, which I just love that, because then you can try it. If you like it, you can get the full sizes or whatever. There's something in my eye and it's driving me crazy. Okay, we're gonna stop. So, first thing I will say is I'm gonna try the cleansing balm in just a second, but I will show you what I usually use for makeup removal. Now, usually I am a horrible example, so do not follow anything that I say unless I'm like giving you advice about makeup. But I usually use I don't wash my face every night. I know it's terrible. I don't wanna hear it. I usually will fall asleep in my makeup, and like midway through the night, my eyes will be burning because the mascara just burns my eyes. Every mascara does this to me. And so I will use the Equate Beauty oil-free eye makeup remover cleanse to remove my eye makeup. And then in the morning, then I wash my face in the shower. That's how I do it. That's what I do. That's what I do. Okay. That's what I do. So this is what I usually use. So after we try this balm, you know, trying to get all the makeup off, then I'll use this as well, just to see if there's anything left over. So we'll see. I also have some just plain old baby wipes, cotton balls. I've got water here for the cleanser. And so we'll just see what happens. All right, so let's just go ahead and give this a try. Now, this came out like a while ago, and like I had seen it on Ulta, and I was like, oh man, I really want to try that, because even the full size I think is $10, which is not bad for a cleansing balm. Now, it is a solid cleansing balm, so it's sort of like it seems almost like Vaseline-y, but a little bit more solid than that. Other cleansing balms I've used in the past are the Albaline. I think that's the only other one. Yeah, the Albaline, which is almost straight up Vaseline. Like, don't get Albaline if you're gonna get, if you're thinking about getting Albaline or just Vaseline, just get Vaseline or petroleum jelly or whatever, because it's the same thing. It's gonna cost you less money. So anyway, let's get this. Okay, yeah, it's thinning out. Like now it's like an oil almost. So let's get it on. Also, I picked today to do this because I got a big look going on today. So let's just see. I'm just gonna start with the face again. You're supposed to do this with dry skin, so. Oh, I can see it breaking up already. All right, shall we just speed this up? Let's do it. Okay, so fun fact, I just washed my whole face with the cleanser and was not filming it at all. I thought I had pressed record. I pressed stop. So bummer of that, but I will say that the cleanser is fine. It seems fine. It says it lathers. It doesn't lather a crazy amount, but I would recommend that you use an actual dime size amount, and also use a bit more water than what I did. Otherwise, it seems fine. My skin does feel a little bit tight right now, but that's just to be expected after you get any kind of water or cleanser or whatever on your skin. I don't think that means that this cleanser is like a drying cleanser or whatever. I will show you my wipe where I wiped the soap off of. I'm seeing, like, it might not show up on camera, but I'm seeing just the teeny tiniest bit of makeup foundation that might have been left over from the cleansing balm that I used. So that is not bad. That means the cleansing balm did its job, and then the cleanser cleansed. So all right, I'm not sure if I will try the hydrating booster drops. It says to shake hydrating booster drops well before use, apply a few drops and massage onto clean dry skin, blend evenly into face, neck, and chest. Can also be mixed with the hydrating moisturizer. So I don't know, maybe we'll just try it. But it says clean dry skin for this one, so I'm gonna shake it up, and then I'll put the moisturizer over top of it. Shall I put the eye cream on first though? Let's do the eye cream first, because that's technically not supposed to be part of the moisturizing, and I'll try and keep the booster drops away from the area. Now I have used this, spoiler alert, and I like it, but I don't, well, I'll just say this. Eye creams, in my opinion, are not that big of a deal. Like, I don't care. I got glitter in my eyebrow. Anyway, I just don't see them as like a necessary step. Usually with my skincare regimen, I just put my moisturizer, very thick moisturizing cream, over my whole eye area. I have been trying this though, I will say, the Revolution Pro Miracle Eye Cream, and this is fine, but the thing about this is that, like, it will start to crumble off of your skin. Like, I don't like that. So you can only like pat this in. If you try to like rub it, I don't know. I just don't think this is that great. And I like the feel of this one better. This one feels just a tad more gel-ish and more oily. This one is like a very thin, fine actual cream. A little bit gel-like, but not as much as this one. But you can see, like, it's fine. I mean, I don't see eye cream as like this major part of skincare, but I mean, I don't know. if you like eye creams, you probably will like this one. It's fine. It's moisturizing, absorbs into the skin. It will get your, you know, the skin around the eye area like ready for makeup so that you won't have like this crusty dry eye and you're trying to put like makeup on top of it, which doesn't usually work out well. All right, so let's go ahead and try the booster drops. Cute packaging, of course. I'm just gonna do, I'll do like 1.5 drops. This is very like, I was gonna say it's gel-like, but it's almost like, it feels like a serum. And yeah, it sort of starts to get a little tacky. Yeah, it feels almost exactly like just straight up hyaluronic acid. Like not last year, man, it was probably like 3 or 4 years ago. I'm gonna get a little bit more, like just a few dabs for my forehead. 3 or 4 years ago, I purchased from Amazon, like, how, you know, a hyaluronic acid powder that you can mix with water, and like, it will be like a skincare product for you. You can make it yourself. And this feels exactly like that when it's all mixed up together. A little bit sticky, you know, whatever. But yeah, it feels exactly like just pure hyaluronic acid. All right, so let's go ahead and try the face cream. Now, I've already used this. This is called the Holy Hydration Face Cream. And it says, gently massage a small amount of face cream onto clean skin. Okay, it says, but this said you can mix the moisturizer with it, so it should be fine. This is sort of a stiff-ish cream, but then, you know, when you start to blend it out, it is really smooth, so it's not too stiff. Like a thick moisturizing cream is what it is. And I like it, feels nice. And I use a generous amount. I'm very generous with my face cream. I like this because it seems to really sink into your skin and not leave like it just sitting on top. I've had a ton of face creams. The one I've been using recently, I bought a huge tub of the, I think it's CeraVe like ultra moisturizing cream or whatever it is, whatever's in the tub. And I've been using that, and what I found with that one, while it's moisturizing and all that, if you try to use that right like immediately before makeup, it will make your foundation patchy. So I don't really like that about it. But this one doesn't seem to do that. It almost feels a bit more, the other one almost actually feels a bit more drying, which is so weird. And at the very least, my makeup will stick to it in patches, which is just weird to me. I don't know why. This one doesn't seem to do that. It already feels like it's almost completely soaked into my skin instead of just sitting on top of it. So it feels really nice. I really like it. It smells good. Not overpowering at all as far as the smell goes. I feel like if you're looking to try these products, I think a little kit like this is a great idea. I don't really have anything bad to say about any of this. One thing I'm really happy about with this little set and this little system is that it doesn't crumble off your skin. I don't know why that happens. Again, with this one it did. I've had tinted moisturizers that will do that, primers that will do that, foundations that will do that. They just, like, I don't know why, but it's like they'll just start to crumble off. It's the weirdest thing. I don't understand it, don't know why, but this does not do that. So that's an A+ in my book. Again, I don't think you'll hate this especially if you're looking for a lot of hydration. I don't think it's overly moisturizing though. I think, to me, this seems more for like just normal skin. So if you're super oily, I think you can handle this, because I have a very oily T-zone and am dry in other parts, or have combination, and this is not too much moisture for me. I feel like if I got the one for oily skin, it would dry me out too much. Don't know for sure, I haven't tried it, but that just tends to be a problem that I run into, is that it'll be fine on my super oily, you know, sections, and then on the drier or more normal parts, it'll just make those areas just really dry. All right, so that's all I've got for you guys today. I will put everything in the description that I can think of, all the links and stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe, ding my bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.